Welcome to my mama's channel. So today she's going to use this kind and she's going to put it on her eyelid like she's a crazy person. And then she's going to put it on the next side. She's using the same thing for like each eye, so don't get it confused. Please don't. She's putting, so she's going to use the same palette, but she's going to use a red one this time. Purple one. Sorry about that. And then she's going to put more and more on that eyelid. And then she's going to copy the same thing with her other eye. That's me in the background. And then she's going to put this blue on. This is a lot of makeup. Seriously. And then she's going to copy the other eye. So if you have any mistakes, you could just do what she did. Now she's going to use this lighter blue for her other eye. Looking all fancy. And she put a little bit more on one eye. Then she's going to copy the next side. I say, okay, now she's going to use this for the for her eyelids, so like it could brighten up. Now she's going to use this light red, pink, to go over that. Make sure you get that red, because if you don't, it's going to be that wrong red. She's going to copy the other eye, just like that. Now she's going to use this, she's going to use this glitter so she could splatter it on her eyes. Now she's going to use this to do her wing. That's a pretty wing, Courtney. Ain't she looking so cute? You gotta get it perfect for like the other eye. If you don't, it's gonna look like weird if like the other wing is like high up and the other wing is like down low. So make sure you do the two wings the same way. Next, she's going to use this dark purple for under her eyes to go each under eye. Because you can see she's already looking pretty. Next, she's going to use this white to go up under her eyebrow. And then she's going to use some of that to go in the corner of your eye. Next, she's going to use mascara to brighten up them eyes, girls. She's using it under, yeah. Next, she's going to use this highlighter to go everywhere on her face. Looks like powder, but don't judge. Please don't. Now she's going to put some, eyelashes. So sorry for that. She's going to copy the other way. Guys, if you do one low, one high, it ain't going to look right. If you do one high and low, you're going to have to fix it. You see, that's what she's using her tweezers for. Next, she's going to use this lip balm. Is peach. Yeah. And she's already looking pretty. That's it. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn the notifications on so you can see when she uploads a video.